Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Today I will be discussing complete syllabus for UGC NET Teaching Aptitude Paper 1. So friends, before I start, I will tell you that syllabus has 10 important topics which obviously have subtopics. So I will be discussing every topic. Now to start with, the first topic is teaching aptitude, and under the teaching aptitude, the subtopics are teaching and its nature, objective, characteristic, and basic requirements of teaching. Now, the next subtopics under teaching aptitude is learner's characteristic and the factors affecting teaching, methods of teaching, and teaching aids. So, and the last subtopic under teaching aptitude is evaluation system. So, friends, you can read all these one by one. Now moving on to the next important topic, that is research aptitude. So in research aptitude, the meaning, characteristic, and type and steps of researchers. This is the subtopics. Then methods of research, then research ethics, then paper, article, workshop, seminar, conference, symposium. So friends, you should know all. There will be a short question, one or two question on paper, article, workshop. Like they will be given definition. You have to identify whether it is workshop, seminar, conference, or symposium. Now thesis writing, its characteristic and format, as this exam is for JRF and assistant professorship, so you should also be familiar with the format and characteristic of the thesis. Now moving on to the third topic. So third topic is reading comprehension. In reading comprehension, you will be given a passage, and based on that passage questions will be asked. So friend, here the trick is you should read it fast and solve it, because the time limit will be there and you will not be able to cover other questions if you spend more time on the reading comprehension. So make yourself habituated with the reading. Now the fourth topic is communication, and under communication the four subtopics are communications, nature and characteristics, types of communications, and the barriers in communication, and effective classroom communication. These are the subtopics under the communication. Now moving on to the next topic. So next topic is reasoning, and under reasoning you have a number series, you have letter series, you have codes, you have relationships, and you have classifications. So number series, letter series, all these things you should practice, codes, relationship, because the reasoning, these type of things you will not able to do it faster. Now the next sixth topic is logical reasoning. In logical reasoning, you have to understanding the structure of argument, evaluating and distinguishing the deductive and inductive reasoning, and verbal analogies, word analogies, applied analogies, and verbal classification. This is the subtopic. Now there will be a diagrammatic logical reasoning also will be there. Now the seventh topic is data interpretation. Now the subtopic under data interpretation are sources of data, acquisition and interpretation of data, difference between the quantitative and qualitative data is the other subtopic, and graphical representation and mapping of the data. So friends, so these are easy. Data interpretations are easy questions if you practice them. The questions on data interpretation will be easier if you practice them. Now the eighth topic is information and communicating technology. So under this information and communicating technology, the meaning, advantage and disadvantage and uses of information and communicating technology, the general abbreviation and terminology used in information and communicating technology, and basics of internet and emailing will be asked. The question will be on basics and basics of internet and emailing. Now moving on to the ninth topic. So ninth topic is people and environment. Under this, the people and environment interaction is the subtopic. Then sources of pollutions, whether it is domestic, chemical, or what type of source of pollution is. Now Pollutants and their impact on human life is another subtopic. Exploitation of natural and energy resources is the another subtopic. Now, natural hazards and mitigation. So this is the fifth topic under this people and environment topic. Now, the 10th and last topic for UGC NET teaching aptitude is higher education system, the governance, polity and administration. Under the structure of institution of higher learning and research in India, what type of research and what is the structure of the institution. Now, formal and distance education, this is another subtopic. Professional, technical and general education is another subtopic. Value education, governance, polity, administration, concept, institution and their interaction. So friends, this was it. These are the topics, and I'll be making other videos also. I'll be starting a MCQ series for this UGC NET examination. Thanks for watching. Friends, if you have liked this, please subscribe to our channel Global Online University. Thank you.